Hi, everyone. It's been a couple of weeks since I've checked in. We're in week 6, almost done, just 2 more weeks to go. You're working on Wiki Part 2. So my usual suggestion, send me out your first synthesis for whichever section you want. As I usually mention, make sure you've got at least the majority of your overviews completed. And you can use data from the entire wiki to create your synthesis. Okay. Doesn't have to just be data from this second part. Okay. What else? I'm hoping that this week goes well. I did share, I don't know, about a week or 10 days ago about the need to not hyperlink the URLs to try to save you a little bit of time. So for example, under the snapshots of images and graphs and so on, you just need to put the URL. You don't have to take that extra time to hyperlink it. And then for references, and again, you don't need references for those images and snapshots and so on, but references for websites and journals and so on, format it with everything except italics, because that's often an extra highlight. Click italics. I don't want you to have to go through that. Just with the general formatting, layout, and the capitalization. Okay, that should paste in just fine. So no URL, hyperlink, or italics. Okay. And I do encourage you to take some time to work on the formatting for websites. As you've probably noticed, as each week goes on and the same errors persist, more deductions are taken. So send whatever references you have. You can even send ones from Wiki Part 1 to the writing tutor for some guidance. But honestly, it's really just looking at the examples in the manual and comparing, and you'll see the errors stand right out to you. Okay. So, and if you are working on it, let me know. Because if I know that students are trying to address this, then I take that into consideration. Because if I don't know that you're working on it, then I just still see the errors, right? Because I don't expect it to be perfect, right? I just do look for attention to detail, and some progress. So, APA definitely seems intimidating at first, but it's not as difficult as you might think, because once you get it, you got it. You can actually look at your reference and the errors will just stand right out. So I wish you the best with that. You can do it. I guess that's it, really. I hope you have a good week ahead. I hope that you're able to take some breaks, and maybe that you've even made some progress on Part 2 over this past week. So, all right. So I'm here. Please send me anything if you have any questions. Okay. All right. Have a good one. Bye.